Welcome to Life Upgrade with AI. My goal is to help you use AI in practical, everyday ways, no tech skills needed. I'll be using ChatGPT on my computer today, but everything I show you works with any AI platform, and the phone app works just as well. Let's begin. Christmas dinner can be such a special moment, but it's also one of the most stressful meals of the year to plan. So we're going to let AI help us create a simple, delicious menu that feels festive without being overwhelming. Here's the first prompt I'm using. Create a simple Christmas dinner menu for 6 to 8 people, including a main dish, sides, and a dessert. Keep the ideas beginner-friendly. AI usually gives you a balanced menu, a main dish like roast chicken, turkey, or glazed ham, a few classic sides, and a dessert that doesn't require a pastry degree to pull off. This gives us a solid foundation to work from. Even if you're someone who usually gets lost in recipe rabbit holes, this keeps everything simple and focused. You can also ask AI to adjust the menu based on your cooking experience. For example, make the menu quicker, or make it kid-friendly, or perhaps make it more traditional or more modern. This flexibility is one of the best parts of planning with AI. Once we have our menu, the next logical step is turning it into a shopping list. This step alone can save you so much time and help you avoid multiple grocery store trips. Here's the prompt. Turn this menu into a categorized shopping list organized by grocery store section. AI organizes everything by produce, dairy, meat, pantry items, and spices, which makes your shopping trip fast and focused. This is especially helpful during the holiday rush, when the store can feel like complete chaos. You can of course ask AI to highlight which ingredients you can buy early and which you should buy fresh, or you can ask which items can I prep or freeze ahead of time. One of the biggest challenges on Christmas Day is the timing. You don't want the potatoes going cold while the chicken is still roasting. So let's have AI map out the steps for us. Here's the prompt for this. Create a cooking timeline for this menu, including what to prep the day before and what to cook on the day of. AI will break things down into a calm, logical order. It tells you exactly what to prep early, like chopping vegetables, measuring spices, or prepping dessert, and then it walks you through the day of timing so everything finishes around the same time. This is one of the clearest ways AI can reduce holiday stress. You don't have to juggle everything in your head, you just follow the timeline. Most holiday meals involve at least one person with a dietary preference or need. AI can help you handle this easily without cooking an entirely separate meal. Here's the prompt you can use. Give me easy dietary swaps for this menu for gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegetarian guests. AI will offer very simple, practical adjustments, like using gluten-free stuffing mix, swapping regular butter for dairy-free alternatives, or offering a vegetarian main dish that fits the menu. Of course, you will insert the dietary requirements that you have in your party. Now, let's add that magical finishing touch, the ambiance. AI can help you create a cozy Christmas dinner atmosphere without spending a lot. Here's the prompt. Give me 10 simple and affordable ideas for creating a cozy Christmas dinner table and atmosphere. You'll usually see ideas like candles, natural greenery, warm lighting, simple centerpieces, cloth napkins, and soft music. You can pick your favorites while keeping things budget-friendly. Now that we have all the pieces, let's wrap everything together into one clean plan. Here's the final prompt for this. Combine the menu, shopping list, cooking timeline, dietary swaps, and ambiance ideas into one simple Christmas dinner plan I can copy and use. AI organizes everything beautifully, so you can paste it into notes, print it, or keep it open on your phone while cooking. You now have a full holiday dinner plan, completely stress-free. And that's it. With just a few simple prompts, you now have a complete Christmas dinner plan that's organized, calm, and easy to follow. If you found this helpful, tell me what holiday planning video you'd like next. I'd love to help you plan your season. Thank you for watching, happy holidays, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you!